Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Ehang, ticker EH, trading here on the Nasdaq. Yeah, guys, this is one of my short squeeze stocks, which I'm talking here about frequently on my channel. Unfortunately, not that many people see these videos, but that will not stop me to create more videos because my main purpose here is to educate you in trading. So no matter if 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 people seeing this video, I will not stop to talk about Ehang, guys. So if you have seen my video here from January 2025, then you are profitable more than 100%. Because we have here a very reliable trading pattern for Ehang. So I give you now here my full update on the chart. This is of course not financial advice. So guys, let's now check here very quick the drawings before we go into detail here. Ehang has a very simple and reliable trading pattern. This ticker here had a massive short squeeze here back in 2020, like the whole market squeezed in 2020, 2021, and so did Ehang, and Ehang squeezed even over $120. Then after this massive short squeeze, we came back here to $3.32. So this is absolute crazy. And since then you can see that Ehang is again here building up a strong uptrend and has to fulfill now here some trading patterns in favor for the algos. Why do I say that, guys? Because I have no idea what the news is saying here, why Ehang is squeezing, why we go up and so on. I don't care, to be honest. I just focus here on the chart. The chart is telling me everything I need to know. Talking about charts and short squeezes here, not only it is predictable for Ehang, I do that also here for a lot of other stocks as well. Give you a quick summarize here what happened in February. I predicted here squeezes between 150 and almost 800%. So usually I post here on Patreon my swing trade alerts and of course also my hot stocks. I think that is the most popular content which I have here every Sunday, guys. So every Sunday I release these videos, and a hot stock video contains tickers with high squeeze potential, and I expect them to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of my member feedbacks, guys. There is no guarantee, of course, but I have been very successful here with squeeze predictions in the past months and years. If you want to see that content before we dive in here into Ehang, guys, you can of course join our trading community. Yeah, the most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You get a lot of member benefits here, guys, not only the hot stocks and trading alerts. I also have member FAQs, tutorials and things like that. If you want to see that, guys, please join in and use here the link. When you click the info card, you get access to this Patreon member link. So yeah, guys, Ehang is trading here in an uptrend channel. So after we had here this very low price of $3.32, Ehang is continue here to squeezing in a healthy uptrend squeeze. So just to give you a feeling what happened here since this shakeout, Ehang is profitable more than 790% in the last months and years. You can see the bottom was in here during 2022, end of 2022. As I said, one of my swing trade stocks squeezed 797% here in just 2 days. So this is what I usually try to do. It's not in my focus here to hold long-term stocks, but also Ehang has of course nice squeeze potential, but for that we have to also respect where the algos are start to sell off. So we have one algo resistance level here at $21.06. This price level acts as a squeeze trigger or resistance. This is the reason why we can see here something like a small, not gap up, but here you can see this massive green candle has been built here exactly above my algo resistance level here. So this is as a resistance. It acts like a resistance when you're trading below that price. We had here a lot of attempts for Ehang to squeeze over this price level. That's why I made also a lot of videos here, and I said when you have that many attempts to squeeze, then it's just a matter of time until you have a successful breakout, and this is what we saw here right now on Ehang. On the flip side, the top line here of this trend channel is acting as the main algo resistance, which we now have, guys, and that is the reason why you see now here a sell-off reaction for Ehang in total of 15%. This is not much, but you have to respect the chart, guys, and that is here the exit price level for a swing trade. In the long term, I expect Ehang to squeeze much higher. Would I buy in here, guys? No, definitely not financial advice, but this is too dangerous. This is FOMO. I always try to think and act like a market maker, which means I try to get the lowest possible price, which means the bottom line here of this trend channel is for me the perfect dip. I traded Ehang here already a couple of times, and I will trade that over and over again. However, what is interesting right now is that we have here also something like a wedge pattern building up. So we can see that when I zoom out, guys, that Ehang is creating here something like a wedge pattern. Yes, we can squeeze over this orange line that happened here back in 2021, but this was here also something like a main algo resistance, which is over right now, guys. So for the first time here since July 2021, for the first time, guys, here took more or less 3 years here. So you can see 2, 3, 4, almost 5 years, 3.5 years. You can see, guys, for the first time ever, we could successfully break this orange resistance line. And as I said, this is also one more confirmation that Ehang is here in a very strong uptrend. So the next price call, guys, if we just continue to squeeze, if we don't see here a strong pullback, let's first talk about the bull case. By the way, guys, everything what you see here is called TradingView. This is the chart program that I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to learn trading, guys, please invest some time, build up some knowledge. It is not smart to just blindly invest in stocks. Also, or now Ehang, just because I'm talking about that. It is for me very important that you understand why I show you here certain price levels. And if you want to understand also where the algos are waiting, this is the reason why I recommend here TradingView as a chart program, that you can spot here the algos. Of course, you can also duplicate my drawings here if you want. I have a discount link available here for TradingView, $15 discount link on the premium tier. So if you want to get this program, guys, please click here the info card in the corner to get access to this discount link. So game plan A, guys. So in my opinion, the next price call which Ehang has to touch or should touch, when I say has to, that means the chance is about 90%. If they, of course, start to dilute the stock, it's a different story. I have no information here about heavy dilution for Ehang. That means $41, guys, is the next price level which I think Ehang can reach, especially if the market stays bullish like it is right now. We are in a very strong bull market. Market is overbought but not completely overheated, so be careful, guys. I think we will see some more squeezes now here in the next 1 or 2 months until maybe April, May. But I think after that, guys, after these squeezes are done, we will see a very strong pullback in the market. So this is my next price call here to the upside, $41, and everything over $41, guys, can act as a massive squeeze trigger. I have here still some open business in the chart at $94. So can Ehang squeeze to $94? Yes, guys, absolutely. Technically, as soon as we break these price level here, a big short squeeze is possible, and that could even just last a few days. Same like here, guys, squeeze and then massive sell-off. This is possible technically for Ehang. In a perfect world, now I explain you how I would trade Ehang again. In a perfect world, guys, we come back down here to $21, or in best case, we start to retest here this trading range. So we have a successful breakout here out of this wedge pattern. That doesn't mean that we cannot come back in there. So in a perfect world, Ehang will come back down here between $18 and $14, guys. Here in this range is where I want to see Ehang to come. As I said, this is my trading strategy. I don't FOMO in. If Ehang starts to squeeze before, I don't care, because we have so many tickers here with squeezing, guys. I don't need to FOMO or hunt here stocks for a squeeze, guys. That's why my trading strategy is I want to see that Ehang comes down here in the next weeks or days back to $18 or even here $14, this range, guys. And then that would be, of course, the moment where I buy my set my positions here for Ehang and wait for the next squeeze. So my friends, that was the update on Ehang. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates and also don't want to miss my other short squeeze plays here, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. And see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute. Viel Erfolg mit Ehang und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.